With an intention to exhibit and showcase the culture and tradition of Khasi community, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) has decided to revive the Monolith Festival in the month of December this year. Executive members of the council had inspected the Khasi Heritage Village at Mawphlang to assess the feasibility for the organizations of this particular festival. The inspection was conducted by MDCs that include the chairman of the council, Lamprangula, Rankinsai Khadc, Victor Rani, Karnes Sosang and Fantin Jalakading in the presence of officials of the PHE, PWD and the MECL departments and members of Mawphlang. During their visit to the location, the team discovered that though the place is suitable to hold the festival, yet their attention was drawn to certain infrastructural requirements that involve repairing and restructuring. The members of the KHADC also gave due credit to the current chief executive member of the council who had initiated the process of revival of the popular Monolith Festival in the state.
Executive Committee jong Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council haring katlang batki officers nakaliang ka Sorkar Jela kiba kentup naka PWD Department PHE Department bat nakaliang ka MECL ngilayo ia kaban wan jengo ia kene ka Khasi Heritage Village hang ne po Mawphlang wa jing tmu ka ba kongsan ka jing wan ka jungi hang ne kalong na ka benta bangin penlong ya ka Monolith Festival hapo jong neusnem katakala banlong aki tayew nengkong baar jong benai Disembar dede halor kene ka man nakaliang jongi niwan hang ne ban pek ki ki kam ki bakong san ki bangidon ya ka ban le ha ka bide bat ki jing pen kre pen krum ya ka te ka festival ka bangin sa penlong sien ti nakaliang ka executive committee ni sngew ya ka ban ai ki jing khuble ka bakarpang ya ka PHE Department, PWD Department, bat nakaliang ka MECL Department, ki balai sim khialang banyawan hakane ka sengi. Na ka benta ka jing penkre penkrum habide bat ketika festival. The sajtin ai khuble ini ki ofisa nakaliang ka Sorkar Jela, ha ka jing ya syong meeting ka jungi menta, kila ayak asoran, bakin ya truilang habide ban penbit penbiang halor ka water supply haga bidai ban penbit penbiang bat ki electricity bat haga ju poru haga bidai ban maramot yeki surok senong ki bangi idon kam na benta ketiga program ka banakaliang ka kansil ngin sa penlong haga benai Disembar.